I can see clearly the liver, right lobe. I'll label them all for you if you want to picture them. Left lobe. I can't see the quadrate or caudate in this view, of course. But there is the falciform ligament right there. Round ligament would be at the bottom. That's what's left over from the old umbilical vein that fed us when we were in our mom's uterus. Whoops. Didn't mean to label that right away. That's a round ligament. Now this membrane is fatty membrane you see right here that extends from the liver to the lesser curvature of the stomach. Have you studied that yet? Mm-hmm. The stomach has on the right side, right and upper side there, lesser curvature, and over the left, a longer, greater curvature. Well, going from the liver to the lesser is the lesser omentum. And here it is, right here. This fatty membrane. The word omentum refers to the fatty tissue that's in that membrane. You can't see it, but going through the omentum would be such structures as the bile duct, portal vein, hepatic arteries, and all that stuff go between the folds of it. Now, the strangest thing I think a person has in their abdominal cavity that's supposed to be there is a bag-like fatty membrane that comes from the greater curvature of the stomach down over the intestines and back up to the colon, transverse colon, which was transverse was on the test today. The quiz, you could say. And this is the greater omentum, the larger one. And you can think of the logic of greater omentum is that it does extend first to the greater curvature of the stomach. But it is like a bag. It comes down, it's two-layered. It comes down over the intestine and comes back up to the colon to form this sac-like membrane. What does it have a lot of? Fat. It also has a tremendous amount of lymphatic tissue. In fact, the GI tract, not only the membranes, but internally, has more lymphatic tissue than any part of the body. Lymphatic nodules that help fight infection and so on. Because one of the worst infections a person could have is peritonitis. If you get bacteria into the abdominal pelvic cavity. So if you'd like to photograph this or